Prefixes. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about prefixes. Now what is a prefix? Prefix is a group of letters added to a word such that it changes the word's meaning. In simple words, a prefix is an attachment that's placed at the beginning of the base word. Let us take the word happy. Now happy is the base word. It's the main word that we are going to attach the prefix to. Let's add the prefix un. So the new word is unhappy. It went from happy to unhappy, which means not happy. Prefixes also changes the meaning of the words. Let's take a look at few examples. When I add the prefix re, that is re, to the beginning of a word, it means do again. So if I say Misha repainted her new drawing, that means to paint again. When I add the prefix un to the beginning of a word, it means not. So if I say Navya is unsure on how to draw a tiger, means she is not sure. When I add the prefix pre to the beginning of a word, it means before. So if I say Sanvi pre-cooked the pasta, means she cooked it beforehand. When I add the prefix miss to the beginning of a word, it means wrong. So if I say Shanaya misspelled Sharwari's name, means she spelled it wrongly or incorrectly. And at last, when I add the prefix dis to the beginning of a word, it means opposite of. So, if I say Shrinaya dislikes noodles, means she does not like. I hope you understood how important prefixes are and how they can change the meaning of the entire word.